Here are the top 10 new bank account bonuses of 2021. Open up a new Sofi account with $500 to receive a $50 bonus. Open up a Chime account, get $200 of direct deposit and get a $50 bonus. Open up a stash account with just 1 penny and get a $20 bonus. Invest $5 with Acorns to get a $5 bonus. Open up a key bank account, set up $1,000 of direct deposits and get a $250 bonus. Sign up with Christian Community Checking, have $200 of direct deposit and get a $200 bonus. Open an account with OnPoint Community Checking, set up $500 in direct deposit and get a $200 bonus. Gesa Credit Union, open an account with just $1 and get a $100 bonus. Sky FCU Savings for students, bring your official transcript or report card to this bank and they will give you $5 for every grade that's an A- or better. Last but not least, Verity Credit Union. Open up a new account using promo code CASH150. Set up $500 in direct deposit and get a $150 bonus.